here we are. It's, gosh, March 20-something. Hi, Maisie. Yeah, it's supposed to be spring. Does this look like spring? I don't think this is spring. So, we're out shoveling and playing. Right, Mari? There's Mari. Woohoo! Mari loves to run and play. There's Maisie. Lovely. Alright, you guys, it's just cold out. January. My irises are 2 inches up out of the ground and they're getting cold. These are my naturally reared dogs right here. They're wild and crazy. This is wild and crazy playtime. Yep, wild and crazy playtime. We love this time of day. If they don't play by 5 o'clock, they're asking to go out and run, throw a frisbee. Alright, looks like we need to get some distance here. Yeah, so today, well, the last 24 hours we got, yeah, like a foot of snow, probably. I don't know, it's all blown around. Can't tell. Hi, you guys. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, so our good frisbees got buried in the snow. So I just have the old ripped up frisbees to play with. Come on. Come on. Go on. Mari. Okay, you guys, get some distance. Pretty boy. What a pretty boy you are. Yeah. Uh-huh. What happened to spring? Huh? That's my little baby girl right there. She's so silly. I'm trying to walk in the snow. Sorry. Mar. Hi, Mari. Yeah, kill that frisbee. Kill that frisbee. Kill it. Did you kill it? There's Mowgli. Mogs! No peeing. Okay. Maisie's job, the bigger one on the right, her job is to play defense. She's constantly on the defense. I don't know if you remember Gilbert Brown, Green Bay Packers, mega, like, huge blocking person, and this is what Maisie reminds me of. It's her job. She just defends. What are you doing, Moke? Hi! Bring that here. Bring that here, buddy. Bring it here. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, let's see. I can't throw left-handed, but I'm gonna have to try to throw right-handed. Here you go, buddy. Woohoo! Ah, totally missed that shot. Crazy! Crazy dogs. And there, Maisie's got it. Good girl, Maisie. Bring it here. Maise.